Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to remove Facebook account from Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to remove Facebook account from Instagram account, first open up your Instagram app, and after that guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see a profile picture icon on a small circle at the bottom right. Tap on it, and on this interface again guys, at the top right corner of the screen there is the three-lined icon. Tap on that three-lined icon, and over here again guys, you'll be required to tap on the account center, which is at the top of the screen, and over here scroll down until you can find the accounts option available for us. Tap on accounts, and over here in order to remove your Facebook account, you can see the you can see your Facebook account at the bottom of the screen, and you can see the remove button available for us at the right side of that. Tap on remove, and you can see your remove account option at the top of the screen. You can as well manage your content, how you log in and how you do things. But in order to remove your account, tap on remove, and again tap on continue, and the moment you tap on yes, remove your profile name of Facebook at the bottom of the screen. Your Facebook account will be removed from Instagram. And guys, this is how to remove Facebook account from Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.